Good morning. These days, Mark has been showing us all. Uh, so instead of wasting money on dots XYZ dot store dot all those, at least if you buying that, you spend minimum of $2 each, and count the quantities of domain you are buying per week. At least you'll be spending nothing less than $15. So this is going to save us money. Let's go straight to the point. Firstly, we are going to be using freenom.com, and we have our email ready here. So let's search for the domain we want to use. Selling is sure dot selling is surviving surviving dot tk. Sell to survive or sell to survive, selling to survive. So anyone we can use. Sell to survive survive.tk. So we are selling to survive. As you can see, selling to survive.tk is available. We have .tk, we have .ml, we have .ga, we have .cf, we have .dq. Actually, none of the extension matters. All we need is a domain for us to be able to set up our BN instead of wasting additional 1 point something dollars, $2, $3 on domains. So this is even okay. So in this case, we are going to be using selling to survive.tk. So as you can see, I searched for selling to survive.tk, and it has already added this extension selling to survive.tk to my own cart. As you can see, one domain in cart. If I search for selling to survive only, it will list selling to survive.tk number one. This is how it will list them all. But since I've input the extension that I want, so it has already added the domain to cart for me. So what I'm going to do now is to click on checkout. So in this case, I don't know the hosting you are using, but um I'm going to be using my own hosting as an example in this video. So I'm using Namecheap. I need to find my Namecheap DNS name server. So all you have to do is if you are using Namecheap also, you can do this. Namecheap Namecheap DNS name name server. So I search for the Namecheap name server. What's wrong with this network? So we are here before. So all we have to do now is um this is the 3 month period. I'm going to be using a year, 12 months at free. Please don't select 1 year. You are going to pay for that. Just select 12 months. As you can see, then click on use DNS. Use freenom.dns. No, we are not going to use their own DNS. We are going to use our own DNS. So this place we are going to insert our Namecheap, our hosting name server. Don't let me say Namecheap. Your hosting name server, because these hostings, their name servers are different from each other. So in this case, I know my own name server of. So instead of, if you don't know your own name server, you can simply search Google. I don't know what's wrong with this right now. Oh, I think it's my network. Sorry. So it's my network before. I was out of data, so I managed to solve. Now, so I search for DNS, Namecheap's DNS name server. So if you are using Namecheap, I want to show you how to just Google. I don't know this search engine. So I'm going to Google. Okay, so right here, I will now search for Namecheap DNS server. This is it. Just click on using the default name server for us, hosting name servers. So you know we are going to be using hosting name servers because we are buying domain from another space, another company. So we want to use Namecheap hosting. So if you are using GoDaddy, same way you have to find your you have to find GoDaddy name servers. If you are using Bluehost, if you are using any other hosting service providers. So in this case, this is hosting name servers. This this is Namecheap. This Namecheap hosting name servers. So I'm going to copy this DNS1 and DNS2. So I'm going to insert my name servers here. DNS1, DNS1. So I'm going to rename this just to DNS1 to DNS2. That is all. Click on continue. So I've clicked on continue. Let's reload this page. I think it's because of my network. Okay, so I'm going to choose 12 months free. Use DNS. Use your own DNS. Paste the name servers here. Okay, so DNS2. So the first name server is dns1.namecheaphosting.com. The second name server is dns2.namecheaphosting.com. So now we are going to click on continue. Not a valid name server. What's happening? Okay, because of the space. Let's click on continue. So there was a space before, and that is the reason. That was the reason I was getting the error. So I'm going to copy my email right here. So I want to register as the new customer. And there are possible issues that you can face. The first thing is free no. I'm sorry. So I'm going to input my my email right here. So the first issue you can encounter with Freenom is, as a new user, we want to register now. It do takes them at times it takes them 1 to 3 hours before they can send the verification email. And if you are lucky right here now, we are going to receive the verification link at once. So I hope they send it at once. So click on verify my email address. Now the verification link sent to your email. So let's check our mail. Let's check our mail. Nothing yet. Nothing. So this is one of the possible issues you can encounter with Freenom, and it's general. It's general. It's not because of no. It's general. Let's check our spam. Let's check if it's on our spam. It's not there. Nothing is there. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. Let's try to refresh it like 2, 3 times. So as you can see, we have not received the email, which is normal. It do happens like that. It do happens like that. Let's enter a different email, another email. Let me check. Well, So in this case, I'm going to be using so I'm going to be I will copy this mail now. So and now I want to change the mail. So let me enter the new email address. So I've clicked on verify my email address. So in this case, if we did not receive any if you did not receive any confirmation link, I'll have to log into my own account. As you can see, nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing yet. So as you can see, we haven't received anything. Let's check our spam folder too. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. So in this case, I will be logging into my own account to continue from here. And the second issue that is likely for us to face is whenever we log into Freenome. This is general. This is from them. This is general. And in the next 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, they should be good. That is it. So I'm going to be logging into my own account now. Um, so um, so you know, if we log in now, we have to restart. Okay, it's everywhere. We have to restart if we log in now. So let's just refresh this page. Selling to survive is, let me copy this. Okay. We are unable to verify you as a human. Please try again. Okay, very good. I've logged in. I've logged in from this side. Hello Adekunle, and shopping cart is, this is already here already. So I have to refresh it. Then click on I have freed and agreed to the terms and condition, and I'll complete order. So it's likely for us to face one issue now or not. It's actually from Freedom. It's from the server, and they are going to be. Oh, you see, we faced it. So this is actually from Namecheap. I'm very sorry, from Freedom, not Namecheap. This issue is from Freenome, not the chip. So in this case, the domain that we just bought now, some of your domains could not be registered because of a technical error. These domains have been cancelled. Selling to survive.ek. Actually, that is from Freenome. It does happen like this at times. Yes. And we're still waiting for the confirmation link. So those are two possible um issue you can encounter, not you can you will- or you may encounter while using Freenome. So at times whenever I need to use a domain, if I can't wait for like a few hours, at times it do take up to 24 hours. If I can't wait, that's when I buy .xyz domain from Namecheap. But at times I do register like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at times. If the network, if their technical error is not, if they are not having any technical error, I can register 2, 3, 4 at times. So I'll just be using it one by one. So after the domain, everything is successful. You click on my on services here, click on my domains. As you can see, these are the domains I've bought with them on this only on this account. Oh, on this account, I have two accounts. On this account, these are the domains I'm using. So I'm actually using one of these domains selling my product right now. So this I'm going to be showing you one thing now. When we are doing our registration, If you forget to set your name server DNS, your hosting DNS there, you can still do it from this place. After your domain is active, as you can see, these are active. Then you can click on manage domain, click on any of them, then come to management tools, name servers. As you can see now, if you didn't set the name servers before you complete the registration, it will be as using default name server. This is how it will be. So all you have to do is click on use custom name servers. So then you enter your hosting name servers here. Just one tool is okay. Then click on change name servers and you are good to go. That is it. Then you add your domain to your hosting. I don't need to teach you that, you know that how to do that already. So guys, this is how I'm getting free domains for my BM. So this technical error, just have to wait maybe um 2 3 4 hours. If you try it after 3 4 hours and it's not going, wait and try it at 12 a.m., between 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. So every time I do it at that time, I'm not getting any kind of error. So this is it, guys. So please, if you face the same error, please drop a comment under this video and we are going to solve it together. If you get same error, and then I will be dropping a video soon where I'll be showing you guys how I am verifying business manager. Actually, verifying business manager takes if you want to verify business manager, you need it takes sometimes to get response after you submitted the documents. But what I'm doing, I've done it before, I'm still doing it, and it's working. To get faster response from um, Facebook support, I will show you in the next video. Though it works for me, doesn't mean it's going to work for you. But what I'm doing to get response very fast, so I'll let you guys. I'll do it, and then I will release the next video, and you guys are going to see it. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys. If you face this same error, please drop a comment under this YouTube video. And if you didn't face the same error, please also drop a comment so that others can learn from you. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.